Welcome to this GrowthWheel online test drive.
In this test drive, you will learn to search for GrowthWheel tools online, upload your own tools, and share them with your client. You can search for tools in 3 ways. From the main menu, under My Toolbox, you can just go to the GrowthWheel framework. You'll notice that the wheel is an active menu. Click a focus area in the wheel to see the tools in that area. Click the basket icon below a tool to add it to the tool basket. Note that the number of tools are added to the basket icon in the top right of the screen. Try searching for a tool, entering a relevant keyword in the search bar. Add a found tool from the search to the tool basket. Next, select the Hashtags menu and click on a relevant hashtag. Add another tool to the tool basket. You can click a star icon below a tool to add it to your favorite tools menu. To remove it from your favorites, click the star again. Click the Favorites menu in the toolbar to see a list of all the tools you've marked as your favorites. Go to the menu Personal. Click Plus Tool and select a file from your hard drive. Enter a file name and click Save. You can also add links. Here we're going to search for a break-even calculator. Copy the link, and going back into GrowthWheel, click Plus Link. You can add an image to the link or not. Add your own tool to the tool basket by clicking the basket icon under one of the tools you just uploaded. Select the tool basket and review the tools in it. You can remove any tools by clicking the trash icon to the right. Click the mail icon to send the toolbox and add the client's email in the field 2. You can add a message to the client about the tools you're sending. Click Email Preview to review your email, and then click Send to send the tool basket to the client. Note that once you click Send, the tool basket is now empty and can be filled for another client. Go to the My Clients menu. Select the client you shared the tool basket with. Now go to the menu Client Files and select the tab Shared by Advisor. Note that the tools you sent to the client appear on the list. Upload a new tool by clicking the button Plus Tool and adding a file from your hard drive. You can also add a link with the Plus Link button. Note that the new files now appear in the Shared by Advisor list.
And now it's your turn to complete this online test drive.